This video will show you how to clean and maintain your Smeg Espresso Coffee Machine. To clean the outer surface of the coffee machine, let the appliance cool down first. Then clean with a soft, damp cloth. Clean the steam wand immediately after use with a damp cloth. With a cloth over the end, turn the steam lever anti-clockwise to let out a little steam and allow any milk inside to flow out. Check that the steam exit hole is not blocked. If there's any build-up, clean the steam exit hole using the needle supplied. The drip tray is equipped with a red float which sticks out of the cup holder tray when the maximum liquid level is exceeded. Remove the cup holder tray and then remove the drip tray to empty it. Clean and dry thoroughly and then reposition together with the cup holder tray. Clean the coffee filters regularly under running water. If the holes are blocked, clean them with a brush or pin provided. The dispensing unit must be rinsed after approximately 200 coffees. Dispense half a litre of water by simply pressing and holding an espresso button for at least 5 seconds, then releasing. The machine will pull through water until the button is pressed again. For a comprehensive video on how to descale this machine, please click the link in the description below.